guys, this video is a review of one of the best walkie-talkie apps after their last update in December 2021. So as you can see, you have two ways to use the app. Either you talk now or you sign up. So if you want to sign up, they will ask you about your age and your Facebook or Google or TikTok account, or just clicking on other ways to sign it, that is to use it as a guest, as I did right now. So in order to talk, you need to tap on the power button, but before that you need to allow the app to record audio. So press allow and select the frequency in here 0002, press the power button and push to talk. When you want to stop talking, you push again and stop talking. If you want to attract someone's attention, you press on that musical note. If you want to change the frequency, you press the power button again and you use these two buttons, up or down. And when you click here on the top left side, you get to know the people who are talking in this particular channel. The ones with the colored circles are talking in this moment, but you cannot hear them because this app is end-to-end encrypted. So let's respect their privacy. If you press on the top right side, you get to know to change the theme of the app. You get also to change that musical note into a heart, and you'll hear a heartbeat, but you cannot undo it unless you clear the cache. That's the problem. And if you want to enjoy some privacy, you can change from public channels into a private channel. You'll get to have your own channel, PA19 here. You press the power button and you press the top left corner. You share your frequency in whatever app you want. You select that app and you get back to that channel. But be careful, you cannot enjoy the full features of the app unless you have an account in order to have friends and to share frequencies with them. So let's sign up, and I've had already an account. So when you press the top right corner, you can change your or edit your avatar and your nickname. So let's try it. You can choose the body color, the background color, and the accessories as well. So you have a limited choice in here, but it is enough to keep this app very simple, which is the thing that I like the most about this app. It is very simple to use. You can add your friends in here. You can add your contacts by pressing add contacts. You enter your phone number and you continue. You can send invitation to people while chatting with them, and you can unfriend them if you want. You can later share frequencies with them by selecting that particular frequency, copy and paste it in whatever app you want, or you press the share button and select the app that you want to use. The only drawback of this app is ads which are sometimes played between frequencies and sometimes in the same frequency. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Bye!